So friends, tell me, when you'll use a frying pan, what could be your worst outcome from it? Say suppose you're making crepes, or you're frying an omelette, or dosas even. And then comes the time when you'll have to switch the position of whatever you'll are frying. So you'll use the spatula, and then you get to know the thing what you're making, what you're cooking is so much in love with your frying pan that it is literally stuck to it. It is not willing to come out. So you use the spatula and scrape it through and turn it. In the bargain of which what you actually fried is either torn apart or burnt. This happens usually is either the quality of your frying pan, material quality what is there that was used in making the frying pan is not good, or you have used it so much that it's lost its surface, the non-sticky surface layer, because of which it is not able to come out easily. The best option would be to discard it off. If say suppose you want to use it for another few days, I tried a hack and it worked for me, and I'm hoping that it will work for you as well. So in case if you all are facing such kind of issues with your frying pan, do give this hack a try and let me know in the comment section if it works for you or not. Before we proceed further, for those of y'all who have not as yet clicked on the subscribe button, please friends, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you'll get updates each and every time when I post a useful hack video. So my rice crepe is in the making, and here, in spite of going slow, can you see? So you'll just clean off your frying pan, and then taking a cloth, or you can use a cotton or any kind of material if you all have like this which can soak oil in it. Take it and then just form it into one kind of a ball like this. Dip it in oil, let the pan to heat up, leave it on the pan, and using a oil spreading spoon or something which will not add more lines to your frying pan. Thereafter what you'll do is you'll add a few drops of water and then continue spreading like this only, rubbing that cloth or cotton. Mind your fingers, because this you will be doing with heat on. Remove off, and if you can see this cloth, it is really dirty. Now this is part 2. Let's try lifting this up, and slowly we go like before. Success. Yes, so it's not as bad as what it was. This is how the rice crepe looks. Hope you all have liked the hack. Do give it a try, and for those of y'all who have any suggestions or requests, do feel free to get in touch with me on my email address or on my social media sites. That's all on today's episode. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.